Now this question requires to find the area of the given figure. Now first we break it into two parts, the rectangle and the jagged edges. So the area of rectangle is simply the length times breadth, which is 5 times 12 equals to 60 square centimeters. As for the jagged edge, you notice that it is actually made up of triangles. So I can use the formula half times base times height. So half times the height, because all the heights of the triangles are all equal, times the total sum of the bases, which adds up to 5 cm. So the area of all the jagged edges is simply half times 1 times 5, which gives us 5 out of 2 square centimeters. Adding up the two areas, we'll get 60 plus 5 out of 2, which is 62.5 square centimeters.